Hi everybody, this is Billy D'Addario, the hippie chick, and today we're going to make this really great candy cane holder in our Christmas in July celebration. And we're going to begin by scoring. So let's bring in my score tool. And we're going to score this at 5 3/4 and 6 1/4 with our paper at the long side at the top of the scoreboard. So at 5 3/4, and then again at 6 1/4, and that's it. That's our scoring done. Then we're just going to fold this up and burnish it. I'm going to get some red line tape. We're just going to put a little bit of red line tape. It goes right there. In fact, we're going to put it on the short side. I'm going to put about halfway down the short side, from about halfway down the short side to the top. And then on the other side, just kind of see if you can match it up. And then when you fold this up, you need to kind of keep the bottom, what will be the bottom square. So set this down and then squeeze the sides together. There we go. And then we've got some ribbon. Where did I put the ribbon? Here's the ribbon. I'm going to just tie a little bit of ribbon around. And I did not bring the extra candy canes with me, so what we'll have to do is we'll have to steal some from the other candy cane holder. We'll use a couple of glue dots to hold this in place. Put one in the middle there. And then okay. One under this guy, and then one one under this guy. There we go. Let's trim this guy up a little bit, because I do like my ends to be kind of long. Not quite that long. There we go. There we go. Go. Now then, this paper came from the from Echo Park's A Perfect Christmas, and I'm just going to take one of their stickers to put on as a decoration to help bring out the colors. And I think I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to use the sleigh actually. I'm going to put the sleigh on here. Put the sleigh just right down here. There we go. There we go. Imagine that there are 2 more candy canes in there. There we go. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you'll stick around for the rest of the week. We've got more Christmas projects planned. Bye.